morning, Lovey Tribe. I thought I would jump on here real quick and share some things that I picked up that I thought were really interesting. And some of it is crafty, but the first thing I wanted to show you is these cool little things that I found at Five Below. The only thing that I noticed, and I asked the cashier, is that over by the electronic stuff, which they have cool little doodads, their stuff wasn't $5. It was like $6.65, $7. There was stuff as high as $10. So Five Below now, their electronics and certain toys are now $6 to $10, and they're calling it 10 Below electronic something or other. So Five Below has raised their prices on certain toys and almost all of their electronics. So just wanted to put that out there. But the two things that I did pick up I thought were pretty cool. And I know other YouTubers watch me, and I thought I would share this because I thought they were pretty amazing for YouTube kind of things. And that is this foldable phone stand. I do lives with my phone, and I do vlogging and things like that with my phone. And I'm always looking for some way to where I don't have to hold it. And I came across this little guy here, Vibe, and it's a foldable phone stand. And this stuff would be awesome too for like if you don't do YouTube, but I know a lot of people do like crafting and instructional videos on Instagram. So I thought this would be awesome. And it swivels. So it shows the phone up and down like this, but you can also, this piece will swivel so you can do like one's portrait, one's landscape. So you can do both views on this. And this is it right here. Of course I got it in teal color, and it's awesome. So the suction cup down here at the bottom, and this little piece right here that controls, do you see the suction? So when you push that, that puppy is sucked, like it's suctioned onto your table. And then this piece up here moves, like this piece moves. So you can adjust this to all different levels, heights, sizes. These are the pieces that expand. That's how it holds your phone. It has nice rubber grips in here. See, this moves all around, so you can have up and down. You can have landscape. So I was really, really impressed with this. And this was $7, not $5, but it was $7. But for $7, I think it's really well made. Because some of the stuff at Five Below, the electronic stuff. But I think because they upped the prices, the products are going to be better. I don't know, we'll see. But this seems to be a really good product, and I did test it out on my phone. It holds my phone great. I have a pretty big phone, pretty heavy phone. I don't know what this is. It's a Samsung 9S, I think it is. So my phone's pretty big. So it held it well. I was really, really pleased with it, and I was super happy with that. And then another little thing that I found, which I thought was incredible, is the LED light up ring, which this, of course, they have it for selfies, but for YouTubers, when you're doing this kind of stuff and you're doing vlogging and you're doing tutorial videos, it's always hard to get light. And this little sucker is fantastic. And it clips onto my phone, which my phone is like, my phone is also my wallet. It has these, like, I love my phone case. It's my wallet as well. And I hate taking my phone in and out of this, and it works great. So it's like a clip. It opens and shuts. You just clip that right onto the top. See, there's your video finder, whatever you want to call it. And then up here's your button. I hope it doesn't blind you, but it has three little levels. And I'm telling you, this little puppy, it works good. So when you go onto your photos, let me switch it. There's my little filming device. There I am. Hi guys. I'm telling you, this little guy works great. And then if you need light outward, well, of course you can do flash, but you know, inward for your selfies or whatever, this little thing is fantastic. So for YouTubers, this is great little device if you're going to do, like I said, vlogging, tutorial videos, lives. This is a fantastic way to get light because it's like your own little mini ring light. I love it. I thought this was a great little idea. And this one was $5. This was $5, and this is what it looks like. So I am super happy with those little things. Those are great little YouTuber tricks, little YouTuber thingy-madoodles, if you will, or if you're like I said, you do tutorials on Instagram or whatever. I think these two little products will be a great little added, yeah. I did pick up a new makeup palette. I needed something new for the holidays, and I thought this was beautiful. Yes, I think this was a $5 product. I think this was $5. You know, it's not Sephora or Ulta or any of those things, but they look pretty. They look good. I think it'll work for the purpose. I'm not real big person on makeup. Like, I don't have to have super name brands. I like a nice palette, and I think this will probably do it. I love these colors. I think they're very wintry. So I think this will be like my winter Christmas palette. I'm really happy with that. For $5, that's a lot of colors. So I was really, really happy with that. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and I had one thing in mind, and that was this. Have you guys seen these? This is the Hobby Lobby additional. Now this is the Happy Planner stuff. This is me and my big ideas, but it's Hobby Lobby edition. They have a whole section in my Hobby Lobby that's dedicated to all of this, and I love it. I love every single one of these books. I love the planners. I love that Happy Planners doing all different styles now. They're doing planners as big as this. They're doing journaling planners now, and the whole like the Happy Planner has like revamped everything. Back in the day, about 2.5, 3 years ago, I used to do the Happy Planner. I put a Happy Planner video out every single month. I can link that playlist down below. I quit doing the Happy Planner because I got so sick of the same thing over and over and over again, and I switched over to Dollar Tree. And I use nice things in a Dollar Tree planner. Seeing this line in the Happy Planner stuff and how they revamped it, and it looks all different, and you can get minis and you can get skinny long ones or the original like Happy Planners, made me like, do I want to do Happy Planner for 2019? But I'm really, really happy with my layouts for Dollar Tree. I love planning, so I want to continue to planning, but I love the Dollar Tree's planners. And then I just juice them up, if you will, with really nice things. So I absolutely adore this line. And I got the seasonal, but they had all different ones. There must have been 6 different ones of these, and I want every single one of them. But yesterday they were 40% off. I only picked up one. I reframed. So I want to show you that. And all of their stickers were 40% off, and then their Christmas, everything Christmas was 50% off. So I ended up getting these 50% off because they said Christmas on them. Now when you go over into the stickers, these same stickers are over there, but they have a different heading, and then you would only get them for 40. So make sure you pick up your girly stickers and things that say Christmas, because then you'll get that extra 10%, which is 50. But I wanted to pick these up because I love these little girls. I think they are so cute. And they each are holding something. She's holding a bulb and a little cup, and she's holding, not holly, what's that stuff? Mistletoe. I can't talk. And then all of their paper from 25 cents to 69 cents was for $1. So I picked up some new paper. Like I said, 25 cents to 69 cents. As long as it didn't go over 69 cents, it was for $4. So I got this, which is like fawn. It looks like fawn fur with the speckles. I got this. I love it. It looks like bark. I got this. I'm planning on doing some cute little thing with this, which is the only thing that I didn't get that wasn't Christmassy, because I have lots of Christmas projects I want to do for paper crafting. Got these trees. I got this striped one. I love how rustic that one looks. I got these awesome, cute little presents, and I love the little pop of pink. A little pop of pink. So stinking cute. I got this Christmas musical note one on the first day of Christmas. And then, of course, I got the little red car, not truck, with the Christmas tree. So I got all that paper for $2. So I was super, super, super happy with that. I'm going to put this back in my bag because I want to show you the inside of this book, but I wanted to get through those things first so I can get this stuff off the table and out of the way. So this is my 2019 Dollar Tree planner. I just wanted to show you, like, this is the kind of stuff I do. I love my little Dollar Tree planner. I think it's awesome. Like, you know, I love it for what I need to do with it. That's when saying like my happy planner just became so much, and it's the same layout over and over and over again. I already picked up my 2020. The only thing is I had to get it at the Dollar General because Dollar Tree is doing something a little different and I don't like it. But Dollar General, it's the same exact layout. It's the same exact thing as the Dollar Tree looks. And then what I also love about these is this little plastic stuff will come off. So I can go in and like that cardstock I just bought, I can redo my whole entire cover if I want to. Which I love that option because I can make this all mine. So I just wanted to show you, this is what my 2019 looks like. I love it. I use a whole bunch of cute little things. I got my 2020 already, and I want to use this in it. And guys, this is so cute. So like I said, this is Hobby Lobby's edition, and this is the seasonal one. Look at this. Look at this. I can't get over this. I want the stickers. I want it all. I want it all. I love this. I love this collection. Look, it's girls' night. This one says, time to get out your party dress. It's party time plans. This collection is incredible. So I'm just going to do like a really quick flip through because I can be here forever showing you. This is kind of like your Valentine's Day. Look at the little leopard purse. I adore this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Welcome winter. Look at their like in their Christmas party dress. Merry everything, happy and bright. Sweater weather. This stuff is just gorgeous. I love this line. Like, I am completely obsessed. I want every single piece. I know I've said this like 5 times, but that's seriously, I love this collection. Like, where have you been all my life? Why didn't this come out when I was doing Happy Planner? Right? Gift ideas. It's the holidays. Hot cocoa and fuzzy socks. Plans. It's the holidays. Look at this stuff. It's just beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Oh, I think I got 2 pages in there. I did. Look at this. Holiday shopping. 'Tis the season for friends. It's Christmas time. Look at these girls. Just beautiful. Just this whole collection is just beautiful. I love that they have some chunky girls, if you will. Some girls with some curves in here, because this is how I relate. Winter chic. I love it. Love it. Love it. Obsessed. Look at this holiday decorating, putting up the Christmas tree, holiday shopping, hot cocoa with the girls, weekend plans. I love it. Look at this little one with the little drink. Oh my God. I'm totally obsessed. Totally obsessed. And it just goes on and on and on and on and on. Look at this. Because these things are packed. Look at this Friendsgiving. Love it. Grateful for. Harvest. I love this. Love this. If you got it, haunt it. Thankful. Here's like Halloween time. Eat, drink, and get cozy. Pumpkin decorating. Look at the little cups of coffee. The big hats. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster now, guys. I'm taking way too much time. I'm sorry. Friends and flowers. This is all about spring. Oh, time to bloom. Look at the little pug. Oh my God. This pad is everything. Music festival activities. Bloom where you're planted. Welcome spring. Sandy fun day. This is all about summer. Visit a farmer's market. Yes. And look, farmer's market and the little vegetable baskets. Like, really? I love it. Date night, movie night. This is everything. This is kind of Valentine's Day. You got a whole bunch of stuff coming in here. Welcome summer. Summer vibes. Look at this dress. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Lots of gold foiling. Lots of silver foiling, which I think is awesome. So this says firework party, summer, friends and sunshine. She has little avocados on her eyes. So cute. Hello summer, eat, drink, and relax. Pool days, sun-kissed. Let's see. Weekend trip, firework watch party. Lots of like to do, today, remind me, pay, to buy, to do. And then here's like your Memorial Day, New Year's, Easter, Valentine's Day, month, St. Patrick, 4th of July, Easter, Christmas, autumn, Hanukkah, spring, Labor Day, Veterans Day. Love this. Love it. Party, celebrate, birthday dinners. Guys. Yes! I love this. I want it all. I want it all. I can't wait till this collection goes on 50% off because mama is going to be buying me some pads. And you just never know. I might end up with a happy planner. I just might end up with one, but totally different. Like I don't even have to do the happy planner. Like I said, they had a happy planner like journal type thing. I might even be picking one of them up. But I plan on using this in 2020 in my new, it's not Dollar Tree, but it's the same price. It's $1 planner. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know that wasn't a big haul, but I just thought those were really fun finds. The paper, the pad, those cool little things if you're a YouTuber or you do instructional videos on Instagram or something like that, even Facebook. So many people do crafts on Facebook alone. They do Facebook Lives and things like that. Those little devices, these little guys would be great for all of that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to share this with you real quick. That was my little adventure. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. And as always, do what you love, buy what you love, and then use it like you love. Take care of you, and I'll be talking to you in the next video. Bye, guys.